Good morning, everyone. Pine Acres RV here, coming to you with a very fresh arrival, something very unique and special. How about a 2026 Brinkley Model Z 310 Air? Folks, this is your high quality tow behind unit with an MSRP just over $200,000. Yes, I had to re-look at that MSRP sheet. No worries. Pine Acres is not going to sell it for that. We're going to sell it for considerably less. So this 310 is just like your fifth wheel 3100. However, no steps going up to the fifth wheel section. Look at this. Beautiful. Power theater seats. No, my apologies. They are manual. However, they are heated and they have USB connections in them too. Not only there, that'll charge your phone. That'll charge your phone. Nice big sofa out back that does convert into a bed. Look at the storage all over the place. How about here? Like so. How about here? Like this. Now, you do have the daytime shades, nighttime shades, the new squared out windows throughout. This table, you can move it over, have two chairs on one side, and this bench can come over and do the other chair. Or you want to eat, it actually flips up and over. It's storage. All right, fireplace that throws out some heat on those chilly nights. Televator, what's that? How about press of a button, just like so, and it goes down. Star Trek time. There we go. Love that. Okay, look at the kitchen here. Storage all over. You got your paper towel holder right here. You do have ducktail construction. Solid surface countertops throughout. Nice LED strip down low. Look at this fridge. Electric fridge with piano finish. Great spot here for your coffee maker. How about a huge pantry with adjustable shelves? More storage. Beautiful black stainless steel sink. Bathroom up next. Yes, absolutely, that's a porcelain toilet. Look at that mirror, it looks like it's floating. One piece fiberglass shower. That shower nozzle looks like a lot of fun. Folks, here we go. Another slide out. King size bed. Again, just like the 3100, but you don't have the steps. Look at the storage here. I've never seen a bedroom with so much storage. Look at the storage here. Oh yeah, we're not done. How about here? Crazy. Uh-huh. And let's not forget that one too. And over on the other side, take a look. Brinkley has done it again. Very, very impressive. Folks, at the bottom of our website, there's going to be multiple videos on this Brinkley product. You're going to get a whole lot more information. Why the MSRP is $204,000. No worries. Rumors have it we're going to price this under $150-ish. We'll see here shortly. I'll wait till the boss talks. After you talk to the boss, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment with them. They'll get all three slide outs opened up for you. We'll get it plugged in. We'll get it lit up. We'll get it ready for show. And who knows, if we strike up a deal, we'll get it ready for tow. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. Bye for now.